Class Super Saiyan here, and I'm just recording this video to show you my home. If you can't see already, I'm in like a jungle environment. I'll just show you. Wait. See this. This is called nature. Shit. By the way, I love this place. It's very refreshing. See, there's like butterflies going around, and we have all kind of trees. I'll just show you. I'll just show you. Wait. Show you. Fuck. Oh. Fuck. Shit, there was a crab just there. Shit, are you kidding me? Wait, I'm just going to tell this to my mom. Just wait, please. Okay, so, whatever. Yeah. So, I just saw a crab. Like, right? Wait, I'll show you. Do you see? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole right there. If you can see, there's just a hole right there. A crab just walked in and like got inside it. This place is full of animals, so I'm not that surprised. But as you can see, there's some, chikus. I think, yeah, chikus. I don't know what's that in English, but we call it chikus. You can see there. You see that, like, yellowy, grey thing? Yeah, that's a chiku. Yeah, whatever. Moving on. So, and there is a lot of moss in the ground, if you can see. There's a lot of moss here that I usually slip here. And there's just a chameleon hanging out here. Like, wait, is it here? Nah, it's not there. Like, there was just a chameleon like just hanging out there. Like, that tree had a chameleon on it. He was like a meh. And if you hear that sound coming, that's either from my home, that's either from that or from the outside. There are homes there too. But this is a whole jungle area. I'll show you. Because this is the scariest part. There are snakes around here, like snakes and like scorpions like just hanging around here. And yeah, as you can see here, there's a lot of green. Like there's just a jungle right here. I just saw a lion. Like I see lions here, not lions, tigers. Some like carnivore animal. I just saw him right here passing through that. This is a whole jungle, and if you want to see more, I'll show you. If this is not enough, like see, here's like a wetland, and we have some, we have mango trees here. We have removed them, but these are mango trees. These are mango trees. And I love this. I just love this. I love this nature. You will find spider webs everywhere here. I don't like spiders. I have an acrophobia. As you can see, we have a terrace. We used to have a cat there. We used to have the cat right up. Like, she had 3 children cats, and we just go. Sad. Okay, whatever. See, there are caterpillars here. There's caterpillars and snails like hanging around here. Like, yeah, so basically this is my house. As you can see, I have like a garage right there. Okay, like some trees here. And that's just pretty much it. This is my house. I'm Clashing Super Saiyan signing out. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick update. I just watched the video of me, and this is not my house. Like, this is not my permanent house. It's kind of like a village. Like, my mom used to live here when she first was born. So this is like a village. We call it Gau here, Gau. Yeah, we call it that here. Just a quick update. Or you'll just think, hey, this is your house. It's so dangerous, like that stuff. So, bye.